Merry Christmas Eve, everyone. It is day 2 of this nasty blizzard. It looks so hard to see the road. Yeah. And I just got a call yesterday from my work saying that work is canceled. Today it's closed. They close until December 26th after Christmas. So yeah, it's really nasty out. Let's see what the radar says. I'll turn it back on. Yeah, it's 14 degrees Fahrenheit and it feels like -5. Yeah, still a blizzard. I think it's gonna hold off. I think tomorrow, Christmas Day. Let me go to tomorrow. Yeah, tomorrow I think it's gonna be back to normal. So yeah, looks really bad. We're not going anywhere tonight for Christmas Eve. Yeah, look at the door. I don't know if you can see, but the door's like frozen off. You can see a little bit of snowflakes there. So, yeah. Uh-oh, it's starting to get windy. That doesn't sound good. So, yeah. Happy holidays, everyone.